Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Miss Sheerin, an American English teacher. Today's lesson is Idioms Part 3. Let's go! Let's remember first what is an idiom. An idiom is a group of words in a fixed order that has a particular meaning that is different from the meaning of each word on its own. Another meaning. An idiom is a word or phrase which means something different from its literal meaning. The first idiom today in our lesson is a zebra doesn't change its stripes. What does it mean? Are we talking here about zebras? Let's see. Meaning, it means not to expect anyone to be anything other than who they really are. Examples: after our breakup, he came crawling back, trying to convince me that he had changed. But I know that a zebra doesn't change its stripes. Another example. Do you think he'll ever stop lying to us? I doubt it. After all, a zebra doesn't change its stripes. The second idiom today is a fly on the wall. The fly on the wall. It's a very strange one. Let's see. Meaning, a fly on the wall means a person who observes a situation without being noticed. Examples: Anne likes to be a fly on the wall whenever her parents have an argument. Another example. I'd love to be a fly on the wall during Mr. David's meeting. The third idiom today is, guess what? Christmas came early. Let's see what does it mean. Meaning, when something good happens, especially if it was unexpected, like receiving some good news, a gift, or a pleasant surprise. Examples: I can't believe it. My mom said I could get the new gaming system I want for Christmas. Looks like Christmas came early this year. Another example: I got a surprise promotion at work today. Looks like Christmas came early this year. Number 4. For the birds. What does it mean? Let's go. Meaning, it means something that is silly, ridiculous, worthless, or completely undesirable. Examples: I miss my usual chef. Night work is for the birds. Another example: driving is for the birds when you live in a big city, unless you like sitting in traffic. The 5th idiom today is, guess what? Smell a rat. What does it mean? Let's find out. Meaning, if you smell a rat, you begin to suspect or realize that something is wrong in a particular situation, like when you feel that someone is trying to deceive you or harm you. Examples: when I got an email asking for my password, I should have smelled a rat. Another example: when he died, investigators were called in and soon smelled a rat. Thank you a lot for watching my video. We have finished our lesson today. Hope you liked it so much. What do you think? Please leave a comment below telling me whether you liked my video today or not, and try to put each idiom in a sentence of your own. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. And don't forget to click the button below for more notifications whenever I upload a video. For online courses, please drop an email to sheerin.amin181079@gmail.com or send a message to my account on Facebook, ms.sheerin.amin American English. Or finally, on my account on Instagram, ms.sheerin.amin. Thank you a lot again and see you next time. Bye!